Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC video series. In the last session, we explored the benefits of GRC and why organizations invest in it. Today, in this video, we will dive deeper into the core components of GRC, governance, risk, and compliance, and how ServiceNow brings them together in one integrated platform. By the end of this session, you will clearly understand how each component work individually and how they integrate to create a unified intelligent GRC ecosystem. Governance is all about how organizations set directions, control operations, and ensure accountability. ServiceNow provides structured governance through several abilities. Policy management. ServiceNow allow you to create, publish, and maintain policies digitally. For example, HR can publish an updated remote work policy and employees can easily acknowledge it within the portal. Strategic alignment. Governance in ServiceNow ensures business goals and activities are aligned. For instance, when leadership defines sustainability goals, GRC can map them to compliance activities and risk control. Decision making hierarchy. The platform enforces clear approval chains. This avoids confusion about who owns what by assigning responsibilities to roles like risk manager, compliance officer, or business unit head. Reporting mechanisms. Dashboards and report ensures leadership can see the health of governance process in real time, whether it's policy adoption, compliance status, or outstanding risks. So governance in ServiceNow ensures structure, clarity, and accountability. The second pillar of risk management. ServiceNow GRC provides a systematic way to identify, assess, treat, and monitor risks. Risk identification. Risk can be captured from incident, audits, or even vendor assessment. For example, a vendor data breach can automatically trigger a new risk entry. Risk assessment. Once risks are logged, ServiceNow uses scoring models to ensure impact and likelihood. This gives the organization a consistent way to prioritize. Risk treatment plans. Risk can't always be eliminated. ServiceNow allows treatment plans like acceptance, mitigation, transfer, or avoid and assign them to responsible stakeholders. Risk monitoring. Risks don't stay static. ServiceNow continuously track them and raises alert if conditions change. For example, if a low risk escalates due to new vulnerabilities. With these steps, ServiceNow ensure risks are always visible, measurable, and actionable. The third core component is compliance. Organizations face hundreds of regulatory requirements and ServiceNow helps simplify compliance management. Compliance requirement mapping framework like ISO, HIPAA, or GDPR can be uploaded and mapped to internal controls. This saves times and ensures no requirement is missed. Automated evidence collection. Instead of manual emails and spreadsheets, ServiceNow automatically gathers evidence from integrated systems, for example, log records from IT tools. Regulatory reporting. Pre-built reporting templates make it easy to demonstrate compliance to auditor, regulators, or executives without hours of manual work. Continuous compliance monitoring. ServiceNow is not just for manual audits. It monitors compliance 24 by 7. So gaps are identified early, reducing audit stress. This reduces compliance cost and ensure the business stays on the right side of regulations. Integration between components. The real power of ServiceNow GRC comes from integration between governance, risk, and compliance. Data sharing across modules, risk, compliance findings, and policies don't live in silos. They are connected. A failed compliance test can automatically update the risk register. Linked process, governance decision flow directly into risk and compliance workflows. For example, approving a new third-party vendor also triggers a compliance check and risk assessment. Unified dashboard, executives and managers see a single version of truth in dashboard that bring together governance, risk, and compliance metrics. End-to-end workflow visibility. ServiceNow ensures transparency from start to finish. If a compliance gap is detected, leadership can see which policy it relates to, which risk it increases, and how is accountable. The integration transforms GRC from separate process into a holistic, proactive system. So to recap, ServiceNow GRC framework consists of governance, risk, and compliance, each with powerful capabilities, and the magic lies in their integration. This creates a connected ecosystem that drives accountability, reduces risk, and ensure compliance across the organization. In our next video, we will focus on the roles of GRC, exploring who is responsible for what in ServiceNow, from executives to frontline staff. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session.